Dear students, dear students, in this session, we are going to discuss about shift instructions and rotate instructions of a processor. In shift, again, there is a logical shift and arithmetic shift. In rotate instructions, again, there is rotate left without carry, rotate left with carry. Similarly, rotate right without carry, rotate right with carry. Like that, there are totally 7 will be there. Logical shift and arithmetic shift. Okay. Okay. Again, in logical left and right. Okay. That I will discuss it now. Okay. The first one is logical shift instructions. When you are going to use logical shift instructions, when you are going to use arithmetic shift instructions. The logical shift instructions are used for general operands. For general operands means not arithmetic operands. General operands means suppose if something is there in some register accumulator, if you want to shift left logical, that is only for the purpose of identifying the bit for the purpose of selecting a particular bit. This logical shift operations are used to select a particular bit, okay, of 8-bit, okay, or to select a particular nibble of a particular bit, okay. For that purpose, this logical shift operations are going to be used, okay. Here, logical shift left as well as logical shift right, okay. Here, the instructions will be logical shift left and logical shift right. That is L shift L. L shift L is logical shift left instruction. L shift R is logical shift right instruction. Okay. How these two are to be performed, I will explain with the diagrams. Okay. Okay. This is this is a logical shift. When you are going to use arithmetic shift, the arithmetic shift is going to be used when the number is multiplied or divided by 2, like that. Okay. If you want to divide the number by 2, okay, if you want to divide the number by 2, okay, 2 means if because it is a binary system. If it is decimal, then divided by 10, like that. Okay, by the radix. The simple one is by the radix. If you want to divide the given number by radix, or simply if you want to multiply the given number with radix, okay, you are going to use arithmetic operations, arithmetic shift operations. Okay, if you move the number to the left by 1 digit, okay, that means it is multiplied by the radix. If you move the number to the right by 1 digit, that means the number is divided by the radix. Suppose 100. Okay, if you take for our convenience, you take a decimal number 100, that is 100. If you shift right by 1 digit, what you will get? You will get 10. That means the given number is divided by radix. Radix is here 10 for a decimal. Okay, 100 by 10 gives 10. Suppose if the number 100 is there, if you shift left by 1 bit, what you will get? 100 will become 1000. Okay, that means the given number is multiplied by radix. That means 100 into radix is 10, so 1000 it comes. So that is an example of arithmetic shifting. Okay, we are going to use arithmetic shift, whether may be right or left, for the purpose of right for the purpose of dividing, left for the purpose of multiplication. Okay, whereas this logical shift is different. Logical shift is for a particular general operands. Okay, if you want to select a particular portion of the number, okay, portion of the operand, not number. It's not a number. It is particular portion of the operand. Okay, you are going to use this logical operand. Okay, anyway, we'll get the, we will understand the difference between these two after going through this lecture. Here, this is logical shift left. Here, L shift L. Okay, this is the R naught. R naught is the operand. Okay, R naught is the. Here, is it visible? Here. Wait. L shift L hash 2 comma R naught. That means the contents of R naught used to be left shifted by 2 times. The meaning of that is L shift L hash 2 comma R naught means R naught, the content or the value in R naught, the contents in R naught is to be left shift. L means logical shift. L shift means logical shift. It should be logical shifted by left. L shift L means logical shift left. Okay, by 2 bits. So how it will be? You see this. Here, what is R naught here? R naught contains 0, or 111, so on, so on. The last digits are 011. Okay. Here, after the first shift, what will happen? Simply, you are moving. Okay. Here, this one will move to the left by 1 bit. Okay. Similarly, this one will be left by 1 bit. This one will also move left by 1 bit. The 0 will also be move left by 1 bit. Then similarly, the right side cases also. Here 0 will be shifted by 1 bit. Here this one will also be shifted by 1 bit. This one will also be shifted by 1 bit. Then what about the remaining? After shift left, this last bit, okay, this last bit will become empty. So how do you fill it? The last digit will be filled with zeros. Okay, the rightmost bit, if you do shift left, okay, if you do shift left, the vacant bits in the rightmost is filled with zeros. This is after first shift. This is the output after first digit. So this is the first. Here always you have to append zeros to the right. Here it is already there. Okay, remember this. Here after the second shift, the result is this one. This is arithmetic. Sorry, this is logical shift left. Okay, here this one will come out from the register. This one come out from the register. This is like a carry bit. This one comes out from the register because already it is shifted by here, here, so on. Okay, this is called logical shift left. Then similarly, logical shift right. Here also same thing. Here in the case of logical shift, we are appending zeros to the right. Here in the case of logical L shift R means logical shift right. The instruction is logical shift right. L shift means logical shift. R means right. Logical shift right. Logical shift right by 2 bits. Okay. On contents of R naught. Here this same problem. Here instead of moving shift left, here you are moving shift right, logical shift right. Here this one is to be shifted right, this one is to be shifted right, then this one is to be shifted right. Okay. Similarly, this okay, this 0 will also be shifted right. Okay. Here it is not there. That means this one here it comes here, not here. Actually, it comes here. comes here. This 0 will move to this place. This one will move to this place. This one will move to carry. C means carry. Okay. The left unfilled bits are filled with zeros. Okay. This is after the first shift operation. Then you do one more shift. Here the instruction is L shift R, logical shift right by 2 bits. That is hash 2 means 2 bits. So there is you are doing based on the meaning of this instruction is you have to do shift right by 2 bits. So this is after the first bit. Okay, this is after second shift. This is after first shift. This is after second shift. So again, this one will move here. This one will move here. This one will move here. Again, there is one more 0 also. Then again, this 0 will move here. Then this one will move here. So what will happen to the one earlier in C that has lost? Okay, that bit has lost. Okay, this is only for the sake of identifying a particular bit or portion of register or particular portion of a byte. Okay, this is left shift register by 2 bits with the contents of R0. This is the logic of this one. The next one is arithmetic shift. Already we discussed about logical shift left and logical shift right. Okay, we discussed about logical shift left and logical shift right. Then arithmetic shift right. Okay, here in the case of arithmetic shift right, okay, see, all of you see this. This is the register, this is the carry. Okay, it is similar to logical shift right, except in the case of logical shift right, what will happen? All the left side, while doing shift right, all the left side bits are to be filled with zeros. Whereas here it is not like that. Here, whatever the MSB is there, MSB means most significant bit. MSB is most significant bit. That means leftmost bit. Okay, that has to be appended, not zeros. Whereas in this, you see the difference here. Logical shift right, here the left side vacant bits are filled with zeros, whereas here the left side, because of moving shift right, the left side some bits to be vacated. Those vacated bits are to be filled with the MSB, not with zeros. That is the difference between the arithmetic shift right and logical shift right. Here you see here, this is R0. Okay, this is R0. Here if you shift right, this one will come here, this one will come here, this 0 will come here, this 0 will come here. Again, this one will also come here actually. This one will also come here. Then this 0 will come here. This okay here. This is the second half. First one, you have to check the first one here. This one will move here. The 0 will move here. This is 0 will move here. Then 1 will move here. Here you will get one more one here. Okay, this one will move here. Then so on. Again, this 0 will move here. This one will move here. Then the 0 will be stored in carry. Here, what about this leftmost unfilled? Here, this one is moved here. So this is vacated. This bit is vacated. So how this bit is to be filled? This bit is to be filled with the MSB. What is MSB here? Most significant bit, that is 1. So the leftmost bit is filled with the MSB again. So instead of zeros there in the logical shift right, we are going to use the MSB whatever. Here MSB is what? 1. So you have to fill with 1. If MSB is 0, you have to fill with zeros. If MSB 1, you fill with ones. That's the difference. So the same thing is continued. And after the second shift operation also okay, here this one, this one here 0 0 1, here one more one you will get. Okay, one more one will get. Here again the leftmost vacant bit is to be filled with again the MSB. Here what is MSB here? 1. So it is to fill with 1. So this is arithmetic shift right. Arithmetic shift right. This is arithmetic shift right operation. Then okay, these three you try to understand clearly. Logical shift left, that's the first one. Then logical shift right, then arithmetic shift right. The difference between logical shift right and arithmetic shift right is, in the case of logical shift right, okay, the leftmost bits are appended with zeros. In the case of arithmetic shift right, the leftmost bits are appended with the MSB, most significant bit. That is the difference, main difference. Okay. Then these three are the logical operations. That is logical shift operations. What are the logical shift operations? Logical shift left, logical shift right, then arithmetic shift right. These three are the logical, okay, shift operations. All these three are logical shift operations. Then next set is rotate operations. Okay, the rotate operations are here. The instruction is rotate. Okay, rotate L means rotate left. Okay, rotate L means rotate left by 2 bits. Here #2 means 2 bits. Here same thing. Here all of you should remember this one. Here this is the R0, this is carry. Okay, here whatever is shifted left from the register to the carry, okay, the same thing is to be appended here. The same thing will be appended here. Here you see here, this is the initial value in R0, so C contains 0 here. Then after the first shift, what will happen? The leftmost bit is to be moved to C, as well as, okay, the leftmost bit is this one. The leftmost bit is moved to C, as well as the same thing is moved to the right side of the register also. That is this one. This 0 is moved to this place, as well as this 0 is moved to this C, that is left. By moving left, okay, you will, one bit is empty at the right side. That right side empty bit is to be filled with again whatever is moved to C. Same thing. Here 0 is moved to C. Same 0 is moved to the rightmost bit of register. That is after first shift. So all of you should remember this one. All of you should remember this one. That is shift, rotate left, rotate left, rotate left. Then after this second shift, that means because there are two shift operations, there are two rotation operations here. The rotation by 2 bit. So the next one is this one will move here. At the same time, the same one will move to the rightmost bit of register also. The same remaining like this. So this is moved here, this moved here, this moved here. Okay, this 0 will move here. 1, 1, 0. Okay, this uh, by moving shift left, the last bit is vacated. That vacated bit is filled with this one. This is rotate left without carry. Rotate left without carry. If it is with carry, okay, if it is with carry, so this link will be from here onwards. That is the only difference. Okay, left, rotate left without carry. This is rotate left with carry here. Yes, instead of from here, earlier what will happen? The most significant bit will be moved to C as well as to the rightmost bit of register. Whereas here it is like a circular shift. This is like a circular shift. Simple. It is like a circular shift. Okay. Rotate left with carry is like a circular shift. Just simply moving. Okay. With see here. This is the contents. Okay. This is moved here. This moved here. This moved here. Like this. Okay. Same. What about the rightmost? Rightmost is filled whatever is there in C. What is there in C here? 0. So the 0 is filled here. Then same thing again. So this one will here. This one, 1. Okay. Then 0. Then 0, 1, 1, 0. Then the last one is, it is not filled. It is filled with this again, this carry bit. This is rotate right with carry. The similar process will be for right operations also. This is rotate right without carry. Like left here, without carry means without carry you have to again give the feedback here. Same, it is like a shift left, but here that is this side, this is this side. This is shift right without carry, same. So whatever is there in the most significant bit, least significant, right side bit of register is least significant, LSB. Right side of the register bit is LSB, least significant bit. Okay, the leftmost bit is most significant bit. What is the meaning of most significant means? Which is more valuable. Most significant means more valuable. LSB means least significant, means least value. Okay, always the leftmost bit will have the more value than rightmost bit. Okay, suppose we will have 2, 5 number. For example, for our understanding, I am talking about a decimal system, 2, 5. In the case of 2, 5, which is more valuable? 2 is more valuable or 5 is more valuable? So 2 is more valuable because its place value is 10. So 20. Total is 20. 5 will have unit value, so only 5. So like that, MSB, and that is most significant bit and least significant bit. Okay. So all of you, that is once you understand this one, okay, the same thing will be followed. Okay. Here also rotate right by 2 operations, 2 bits. Okay. Rotate right by 2 bits. Rotate right by 2 bits. So this is without carry. With carry means again like it is like a circular again, same thing. It will be again circular thing. Yeah, also same. Once you understand this one, that is very simple. All these are the shift and rotate instructions of a processor. here the instructions are rotate RC means rotate right with carry. If it is only rotate R means it is only rotate right without carry. If there is C means it is with carry. Rotate RC means rotate right with carry. If it is only rotate R means rotate right without carry. Similarly, the same thing will be here L also. That is rotate left also same. If there is C means with carry. If there is no C means it is without carry. These are the logical shift and arithmetic shift. Logical shift, arithmetic shift, and rotate. Okay, there are three: logical shift, arithmetic shift, and rotation. Rotation, there are four: rotate left without carry, rotate left with carry, rotate right without carry, rotate right with carry. With carry means it is like a circular rotation. Okay.